Hello everyone, this is Karen Dustin. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about can you drink alcohol during intermittent fasting. So, if you like the video related to turtle health, I would like to request you all please do subscribe, like, and share this so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of content. So, here we begin. Let's go. Can you drink alcohol during intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting comes with a variety of potential health benefit, including weight loss, fat burning, autophagy, and many more. It's simply to do, and a lot of people do it as a part of a healthy lifestyle. This kind of fasting is pretty straightforward. You set a fasting period each day, then eat all your meals in a shortened eating window. For example, fasting for 18 hours and eating all your calories over the course of 6 hours. But if you are new to intermittent fasting, it can be intimidating to start. What are the rules of fasting exactly? So, one of the most common question is can you drink alcoholic beverages during intermittent fasting? Or will alcohol affect your fast? So this video cover how alcohol affects intermittent fasting and whether some types of alcohol are better than others when it comes to fasting. Now, alcohol does break your fast. During intermittent fasting, your body goes through a variety of hormonal and cellular changes. So many of them are responsible for the unique benefits of fasting: autophagy, decreased inflammation, fat burning, and many more. But in order to get many of those benefits, you have to consume 0 calories for an extended amount of time. Alcohol contains calories, meaning it will break your fast if you drink it during your fasting window. Now, health effects of excess alcohol. You are fasting for health. You may want to avoid drinking to excess or at least limit it to occasional celebration. While the occasional drink can actually be good for you. So, heavy drinking works against your health goals and directly counter several of the benefits of intermittent fasting. So, impaired fat burning and weight loss. A lot of people use intermittent fasting to lose weight. If you are one of them, you may want to skip the alcohol. So, alcohol slow down your ability to burn fat, possibly because your body focuses on processing alcohol before digesting food. Alcohol also impairs your judgment, which makes you more likely to snack or overeat. If you are sober, you will probably pass on that midnight pizza order. If you are drunk, you may go for it, and over time, that increased calorie intake can slow down weight loss or even lead to weight gain. So it's worth noting that moderate drinkers, 1 to 2 drinks per night, don't see the negative health effect that heavy drinkers. Light to moderate drinking is unlikely to make you gain weight. So, heavy drinking and inflammation. Intermittent fasting is great for reducing inflammation. Drinking to excess, on the other hand, actively causes inflammation across most of your body. Heavy drinking puts stress on your liver and gut, triggering an inflammatory response. Over time, heavy drinking can cause serious inflammatory issues like fatty liver disease and leaky gut. Now, excess alcohol prevent autophagy. One of the main benefits of intermittent fasting is autophagy. During autophagy, your cells clean themselves up, getting rid of any old or damaged part and replacing them with brand new version. After a fast, your cells are younger and more efficient. Excess alcohol may prevent autophagy, turning off cellular repair and reducing the benefits you see from intermittent fasting. So, moderate alcohol consumption may be good for you because, however, drinking alcohol during your eating window is just fine. And it turns out the occasional drink may have some health benefits. So, drinking to excess is undeniably bad for you. But research suggests that moderate alcohol consumption, which is one drink per day for women and 1 2 drinks per day for men, may actually be good for your long term health. Correlation is not causation. So take this research with a grain of salt, but several large studies have found that people who drink moderately have better blood sugar control and a decreased risk of heart disease, stroke, dementia, diabetes, and more. So, a glass of keto friendly wine with dinner may actually make you healthier. Just make sure you keep your alcohol intake to 1 or 2 drinks a night. So, the most important now, I would love to tell you that don't drink alcohol on an empty stomach. So, if you are going to drink during an intermittent fasting, be careful about breaking your fast with alcohol. You are probably better off eating something first or at least having your drink alongside a large meal. When you have been fasting and you don't have any food in your stomach, you will break down alcohol much more quickly than you usually would. So as a result, more alcohol make into your bloodstream, and you feel the effects of drinking much more strongly and rapidly. Even a couple drinks on an empty stomach can get you fairly drunk. So if you're going to drink, choose the right alcohol. Certain types of alcohol are healthier than others. So that's all about the drinking part in the intermittent fasting. In this video, I'll be definitely coming in the next video with my other content. Till then, God bless you, take care, and bye bye.